January 2026. Here are the recognized World International Days in January 2026. Global observances, primarily UN-sanctioned or widely acknowledged. 1st January, Thursday, New Year's Day, marks the first day of the Gregorian calendar year, observed worldwide as a public holiday reflecting renewal, reflection, and fresh beginnings. For 4th of January, Sunday, World Braille Day commemorates the birth of Louis Braille, inventor of the Braille system, highlights the importance of accessible information and inclusion for persons with visual impairments. TOS 14th of January, Wednesday, World Logic Day, promotes the value of logic in science, technology, and philosophy, recognized for its role in critical thinking, reasoning, and informed decision-making. 24th of January, Saturday, International Day of Education, emphasizes education as a fundamental human right, focuses on education's role in peace, development, and social mobility. 25th of January, Sunday, World Leprosy Day, observed on the last Sunday of January each year, aims to raise awareness, combat stigma, and promote early diagnosis and treatment. 27th of January, Tuesday, International Day of Commemoration in memory of the victims of the Holocaust, honors the victims of the Holocaust during the Second World War, serves as a reminder to prevent genocide and uphold human dignity. 28th of January, Wednesday, International Data Protection Day, raises awareness about data privacy and personal information protection, encourages responsible handling of data in the digital age. 30th of January, Friday, World Day of Neglected Tropical Diseases, draws attention to tropical diseases affecting over 1 billion people globally, advocates for equitable healthcare access and sustained international action. These days are recognized yearly and will fall on the noted dates in January 2026. Monday, 26th of January, is the International Day of Clean Energy, designated by the UN to highlight the central role of clean energy in achieving climate goals, sustainable development, and energy justice. The day underscores the transition away from fossil fuels towards renewables, efficiency, and equitable access, especially for the Global South, where energy poverty and climate vulnerability intersect most sharply. An invitation. Join me on Monday, 26th of January 2026 over lunch to discuss this and other issues related to nutrition and health. Full details are as follows. Day and date, Monday, 26th of January 2026, time 12:30 to 14:30 hours. Venue Cafe MAB. Address Malaysian Association for the Blind, MAB. Jalan Tabing off Jalan Tun Sambanthan 4 Brickfields, 50470 Kuala Lumpur. Attendance. Attendance is free of charge for all persons with disabilities, PWD holding an OKU card. However, places are limited and depends on donations and sponsorship received. Donation attendance is by donation for able-bodied and sighted participants. Minimum donation is RM20, which should cover your lunch as well as for 1 PWD. Any balance will go towards my various eye treatments. February 2026. Here are the recognized World International Days in February 2026. Global observances, primarily UN-sanctioned or widely acknowledged. 1 to 7. February. World Interfaith Harmony Week. Annual week-long observance promoting harmony among people of all religions and beliefs. 2nd of February, World Wetlands Day. International awareness of wetlands conservation. 4th of February, International Day of Human Fraternity, promotes cultural and religious tolerance. 6th of February, International Day of Zero Tolerance for Female Genital Mutilation, Human Rights Awareness. 10th of February, World Pulses Day, FAAO observance, highlighting pulses for food security. 10th of February, International Day of the Arabian Leopard, Biodiversity Conservation. 11th of February, International Day of Women and Girls in Science, Gender Equality in STEM. 12th of February, International Day for the Prevention of Violent Extremism, as and when conducive to terrorism. 13th of February, World Radio Day, Importance of Radio in Communication. 7th of February, Global Tourism Resilience Day, Tourism Sector Focus. 20th of February, World Day of Social Justice, promotes fairness and social equity. 21st February, International Mother Language Day, Linguistic and Cultural Diversity. 28th of February, Rare Disease Day, raises awareness of rare diseases. These days are internationally recognized yearly and will fall on the noted dates in February 2026. A heartfelt light. To every soul whose hand did give, you've helped me dream, helped me live. In darkest hours your light came through, with hearts so kind, so pure, so true. Your gifts, like stars in deepest night, have steered me gently toward the light. Each coin, each word, each silent prayer, a thread of hope, so rich, so rare. My eyes once dimmed now seek the skies, and slowly clearer visions rise. Because of you, I dare to see the world again, its grace, its plea. Your compassion's flame will not just stay with me alone. It lights the way for others wandering through despair to feel the warmth of selfless care. You've shown what love in action means, in quiet ways through giving scenes. You've built a bridge from soul to soul and made the broken feel more whole. So let this thanks rise like a song, a melody both soft and strong. May your example gently call more hearts to rise to give. To fall into the joy of lifting pain, of planting hope where none remains. Your kindness walks beside me still, a light, a love, a living will.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to show your support.